today, tornado warning for northern Delaware, eastern Union, until 1:45 a.m. At 1:07 a.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado located near Magnetic Springs, moving east at 65 miles an hour. In addition to the tornado, this storm is capable of producing destructive straight-line winds. Locations impacted include Delaware, Sunbury, in addition, Radnor, Warrensburg, Leonardsburg, Kilbourne, Galena, and Olive Green are near the path of this dangerous thunderstorm. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are difficult to see and confirm at night. Take cover now. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Erie, Huron, Morrow, Richmond, until 2 a.m. At 1:07 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northwest of Kelly's Island to 7 miles northwest of Willard to 24 miles southwest of Cardington, and moving east at 50 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Sandusky, Norwalk, Mount Gilead, Fitchville, Mansfield, Willard, Kelly's Island. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows.
A severe